My name is Laurene Montero, and I'm the City of Phoenix archaeologist. So we're here at Pueblo Grande Museum, and we're doing what we call our routine mudslinging. Pueblo Grande is one of many large prehistoric Hohokam villages that were here along the Salt River. The rain and the wind take their toll on, the structure. You grab a bunch of mud out of the bucket and you kind of fling it, because that's really the only way it really sticks. It's very interesting.
Buckets galore.
Basically, we cap over the original walls and protect them.
That was Laurene Montero slinging mud to preserve the ancient structures at Pueblo Grande Museum. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix, or just think the mudslinging should stick to politics, send us a note, theshow@kjzz.org.